Good day to you, ma'am. I'm Marisa Tacdoro, 34 years old, married. I have one child. About my working experience, I work in Israel as a domestic helper since July 2005 until May 2007.
Okay, what's your name again?
Marisa Tacdoro.
Okay, how old are you?
I'm 34 years old.
Okay. Do you have any experience as a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am.
When? Where?
In Israel.
In Israel.
Yes.
You working as domestic helper or caregiver?
Domestic helper and caregiver also.
Okay. How many members inside the house?
Two.
2 members. How old are they?
82 years old and 91 years old.
What is your main duties inside the house?
My main duties inside the house is to take care the elderly and to do the household chores as cleaning, laundry, cooking, and doing marketing.
Okay. Do you have any experience to take care of the children?
Yes, ma'am. Because I have one child already.
Okay, that's good. Do you know how to take a bath with baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you give the example how to take a bath with the baby?
For example, I will see first the water temperature, and
Okay.
then I will shampoo the body, and then clean the body, and then
Okay.
shampoo and rinse.
Okay, if the employer is not at home, can you let some people come to the house?
No, ma'am, because they are strangers. I don't know them.
Okay, that's good. If the employer is not at home, how can you answer the phone call?
If my employer is not at home, I will answer the phone. I will ask them what's their name and then what's their message and purpose of call.
Okay, if you damage something in the house, so what will you do?
If I damage something, I will inform to my employer that I damaged something, and then I will tell them not to do that again.
Okay, if you are in the kitchen and your employer call your name, what do you do?
If I'm in the kitchen, my employer call me, I will off first the gas, and then I will tell them that I'm cooking, and then I will ask if what she needs.
Okay, when the boy is naughty on the running on the street, what do you do?
I will tell them not to do that because it's dangerous to run in the street.
Okay, when you go to the market, how do you know that the fish is fresh?
I will see first the textures of the fish, and then the eyes. If the eyes is red, I think it's not fresh.
Okay, very good. Why you want to work in Hong Kong?
First, I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to save for the future of my family and my child.
Okay, do you know how to cook the Chinese food?
No, ma'am, but I'm willing to learn.
Okay, do you have any message to the future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me. I need this job. I want to save for the future and my family, and I will promise I will finish my contract and I will follow your rules and regulations. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.